How's it guys? Welcome back. Yeah, today there are quite a few setups I'm going over. It's going to be very interesting. So let's see how this plays out. Basically, I'm looking at, I will go over like analysis just now, but I want to quickly show you my setups for the next day or two. So looking at 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧, I am currently long here on 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧. The reason why I'm long is 4-hour close above the range. Okay, 4-hour close above the range. We had this created over here. So this top wick got taken out at this level, and what I'll be looking at is if it starts closing back below this range over here, then I would look at managing my position. But as long as it stays above here, it's most probably just going to come back up to the highs, right? Because looking left here, whenever we close above here, we tend to come up to test these highs. If we have a look here, same thing here. Test these highs, same thing here, closed above, test these highs, closed above, test these highs. So main reason why I'm bullish here for 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧 is based on the higher time frames. We have a look at the 1-hour chart. Still looks good, right? You just keep your stop loss below this wick here, and you have quite a bit of range for price to actually move to the top side. Okay. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah, so that was that. And then for Bitcoin, I did actually take a long setup earlier. So Bitcoin was in this 15-minute range over here, broke above there, took buys on the break of this level. My TP is at this level here at 29,860. But what I did was I actually took out around about 50% of my position at this level here. Okay. So if you want to look at Bitcoin, you can probably take it long now because it actually will trace back to the support here. And as long as it stays above this level here, it's still making a higher high for Bitcoin. Okay. So this is the trade right now. I'm gonna hold this, and then if you guys did just join, we did take a long here for 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧. Okay. So 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧, Polygon, right? Looks good. Okay, so take profit at 0.7036 and stop loss at 0.6886. Okay. So let's see how this plays out, guys. And then Bitcoin, we're obviously long. Another setup for you guys is XRP. This is going to be a nice setup here. Okay. Reason being is look left. We have so much imbalance over here, right? Our next level is pretty much this level here and this level here. Okay. So once we start breaking these highs, we're going to be long here. So yeah, it looks so clean, to be honest with you. Once we break these highs, I'll take a long. But currently just in two positions, just 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧. Looks good. And then Bitcoin, right? Obviously, we spoke about this one earlier. Okay. So those are the setups, guys. Those are the setups currently. 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧, so like think about this, guys. Basically, so I'm on this trade right now. So this is how you're meant to be thinking when you enter a trade. So I'm using 20x leverage, okay? My target is the highs here. So you take your measuring tool, 20 times 1.5. What is that? That's 30%, right? So this trade, I can get 30% from the trade, and I'll only be losing like 12%, right? So my risk to reward for this trade is 1:2.3. So it's a decent risk to reward. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or any charts you want me to go over, just put them in the chat. You can definitely go over that. At the moment, just looking at 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧 and Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Dogecoin now. Okay, yeah, Dogecoin. Very, very bullish here. So let's actually rechart this. Yeah, the XRP setup looks clean. Basically, what I'm waiting for here, this is, if you look at the 4 hour, right? What's important to note here is, let me show you. It's already created the bottom wick. So that's beautiful, right? When you're looking for buys, essentially, when you create a bottom wick like this, it's most likely going to carry on to push to the upside. So what we're waiting here for XRP is to break these highs, and then we'll be in. Okay. Solana chart, yeah, sure. I'll go over Solana now. So XRP, let me just put this in here so you guys know. So waiting for price to break. Okay. So we'll put an alert here, just so we don't. Yeah. So if you guys did just join, welcome. Like I said, I am long on 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗥. Currently long on 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, and then I'm currently long on Bitcoin as well. Yeah. So we long on Bitcoin and 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 at the moment. 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 still looks clean. If you guys did miss this 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 long, I'm only up 0.02% from this trade. So just manage your risk. And then XRP, we should get that trade soon. So let's go over Solana. Let's see over here. Let's have a look at what Solana is doing. Yeah, Solana is looking bullish. I was actually looking to long this earlier. Okay, look at this. This is beautiful, right? Look at this chart here, guys. So what is happening right now? We have support, right? And resistance at this level. Okay? So on the 4 hour chart, if Solana manages to actually close above this level, we're most probably just going to test these highs here at the top. Okay? So Solana's range at the moment is around about a 3% range. Okay? So let's have a look at the 1 hour to see if we can maybe get some signals here. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, we do need to see, you can see how we're going to move this up a bit here to the highs. Okay. So we'll see how this plays out. Yeah, so let's see how this plays out. So we'll wait for bars above here, but that's about it. And then just long on 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 and Bitcoin at the moment. Yeah, if the music is too loud, sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. XRP looks very clean though, guys. This is the setup that I've been waiting for the whole day. So I really want to see how this plays out. The problem is with this signal. Actually, no, you can have your stop loss below this wick here. So the risk reward here is 1:4. So you're risking your stop loss is only around about, if you're using 10x, it will only be 4%, where your profit will be 20%. So you need to start thinking like that. I think that's the best way to get involved in trading. Yeah, when you start thinking about as like a percentage rather than like the dollar value, right? So, because the thing is with trading, you're gonna scale up anyway. So as long as you get the fundamentals, it's all good. Let's have a look at the total market cap. So the total market cap yesterday closed bullish. Yeah, so this was the range I was looking at yesterday. If you guys watched my video yesterday, we were saying that if price closed below here, we most probably come to this level. But if price respects to this level, we'll most probably come to this level, okay? So it looks very clean, to be honest. We're probably going to see a nice rally for the coins in the next couple of days here, back to 1.17 trillion, okay? Which will mean that we're going to get a nice little rally for some altcoins and possibly Bitcoin. So just be careful of that. Let's see. Let's go back to 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. If you guys detect this trade, let me know. I'm also in it, so. Let's have a look at some other coins. Maybe we can find another setup. Oh, if you guys are trading on CoinW, which I'm sure most of you are, they're adding WorldCoin tomorrow, which is WLD, and basically we can be trading it on futures. So I'm gonna do a small analysis here. So for tomorrow, once they add it, we can maybe look at the position. Okay, so we have support here. The thing is with this coin, very new coin, right? So we have to look here. It's currently at support, and if it loses this level, it might drop a lot. But I don't think it's going to lose this level here. So I think taking bars now even would anticipate to move back up to at least this level here for bars, okay? So let's see, like, obviously we can't trade it now, but tomorrow morning we'll be able to trade it. The stop loss is so small. Yeah, this is what I'll do for it. Take bars back up to the highs. Yeah. But now it's all about being patient, because the problem is now there's just no volume at the moment. Also, if you guys are interested, we do have a Discord here. Okay, so basically, it's similar to the Telegram group, but it's way more structured. Where we have my analysis over here, we have the trading chats over here, so trading announcements over here. This is where I post my signals every day. Announcements over here. Boris, he's also a trader, and then Burks is a trader. So we have a lot of different views for this. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll add it to the stream so you guys can grab it. So that's a Discord link there if you guys are interested. It is very similar to the Telegram, but it's way more structured. Yeah. And everything's free, right? We will, within time, we're going to be doing online classes. We will be doing, there's a lot of videos in the beginning. So basically, if you're new to trading, you must just go to over here. You must just go through all the sections, and it will actually give you all the videos on how to trade support and resistance, how to trade trend lines, how to do all of these things, and that will be all in the Discord. So just make sure you check it out, and if you are interested in that, make sure to join. Everything is free, so don't worry about paying anything. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to pop off here. So what's going to happen here is if price, so look at this level here. So this is our resistance, right? So if price starts to close below here on the 1 hour time frame, then this setup would be invalid. But as long as price stays above this level, then we can still anticipate these longs to carry on. Okay. So what we need to see a break of this level here at 0.6949. Once we start breaking this level, we should see price move to the upside. Okay. Let's go back to Solana, see what's happening here. Yeah, so we're waiting for closures above here, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is the setup for Solana. I'll be waiting for this. Yeah, so bars above here would be ideal, okay? Solana looks clean. I think also this week we have today, let's see what news we have. Oh, there's no news today. Well, there is a little bit, but nothing too major. Tomorrow we have CPI and core CPI. So basically, this is when consumer price index is crazy, right? So basically, with the change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, if the actual is greater than the forecast, so you can see the forecast is the middle one. On the right, we have the previous, and the actual, which will come out tomorrow. If it's greater than the previous, then it's bullish for the currency. So that would obviously be bearish for crypto. But the thing is, right now, with crypto, it's not really correlated to the dollar anymore. So we're still waiting for this XRP setup. If you guys have any other charts you want me to go over, just put them in the chat. There's not many other charts that are looking at any setups really. We need to be patient, right? The thing is, like with my So if you look at XRP, I mean Matic on the 1 hour chart is approaching that zone. So we need to wait for a closure. If it closes below this level, then it's invalid. But if it closes respecting this level, then it should be clean for more upside, to be honest. So just because there's a bit of a drawdown here, we don't need to worry. It's not much. The setup still looks. Yeah, so if you guys weren't here, I did say I am long on Bitcoin at the moment. So I am long from this price. So what I did was I actually took out 50% at 29,824. Thing is, like with the setup, yeah, we'll go over the 4 hour chart actually. Okay, yeah, so next level for Bitcoin obviously is Where are we getting stuck at? Around about this level here. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're back. So basically on the 4-hour chart, if we remove all the drawings, look at a blank chart here, okay? We've created a new high in the market, okay? So we've created a new high over here, and we respected this previous high, which was the support, okay? That 29,700 zone was the previous support, okay? So I think 31K is a little bit ambitious currently at the current state, but 30,300 is definitely the zone we should be looking at, okay? So this zone over here, I would expect price to tap into that zone within the next day or so. We've already tapped into it over here already, okay? But I think within today we might actually be able to tap into that zone, yeah. So that's why I'm on like the 1-hour chart, okay? Once we start seeing candles close above here on the 1 hour, we're most probably going to see quite a nice push to the upside. Okay. Yeah, looking for buyers still, yeah, for XRP. Let's see how this closes here for 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, because we did take a long here. If it closes bearish below here, I might actually just look at stopping out the trade, but we'll see. This is how I'll show you how to manage the position here. We need to see how this closes though. The 4 hours still looks clean. Thing is, we do have this resistance here. It's quite interesting. I didn't actually see that. It's also resistance, yeah. Then we create a nice pullback. Then we have that push. So we could see the same thing. We might see a pullback first. Well, then we see a push. We're still waiting for this setup here for XRP. Maybe patient here. And then Solana as well, looking for longs. I'm more long today, like in terms of the market. The thing is, we might just see a bit of retracement first. So yeah, let's see. Total 3. See, it's closing back in the range here. So the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin here, closed back above the range. So I think taking buys today are more valid than taking sells, just based on looking at this chart as well. Yeah. Dogecoin. Let's have a look at Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart. So we have the support over here. support over here, resistance over here. Okay. So this is our current range at the moment. What do you see? Closes above there for buys, sells below there. Yeah, too many wicks over here. So we need to see a closure above here, and we'll target these highs. Yeah. Yeah. So bars above here. I want to have a look at Bitcoin quickly on the daily time frame. Right? Yeah, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So we close bullish. We close respecting the support, okay? But we had this beautiful this hammer candle over here with nice volume. So I'm expecting price to at least come back up to 30,300 for today. So like, although I'm gonna loss here for 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, I'm probably gonna hold this for the day. 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 also closed bullish here. Okay, so the 1 hour closed bearish. We do have this trend line here. Okay, so like, because the 1 hour actually closed bearish here, so looking at this, right, the 1 hour did actually close bearish. So that's obviously an indication that price may be coming down here, but it's still respecting this low, okay? So this low over here is the reason why we put our stop loss below here, was because this is the low that needs to get taken out in order for this to flip bearish, okay? Because as long as this is making higher highs and higher lows, right? There's a high. So all these highs are higher and all the lows are higher. So if this is the end of the low, then we're probably just going to see this trend line being respected back up to this level here. Yeah. So yeah. And then XRP is still waiting. And then obviously Bitcoin, we took that long. Okay. So this is our current setup for Bitcoin. This is the current setup here. I mean, what you could do is, because I took out 50% here, okay. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, this is why we do use stop losses. For example, like over here, if it starts breaking this trend line here and starts closing below the stop loss, then I wouldn't want to be in a position anyway. It's only like minus like 8%. But I still believe that this could just be a fake out. We'll keep Bitcoin on the chart. If you guys do have any questions, let me know. But I will keep this on the chart just so you can see. We'll put on the 1 minute chart just to see what's happening there. So we formed a new range, right? So this is our new range. From here to here is a new range. Yeah. So we need price to close above this range here. And if you guys look at the chat, there is that Discord link there. So let me know if you want to join it. It is free. So just join it, and then we do post all our analysis on there and all of that. Yeah, so just waiting. Like, I mean, there's not much we can do here. It's all about being patient. Trusting the setup, right? We did take the setup here. I still think that it might play out. Needed to respect this trend line here. The sun will shine, and until then, I'm right here, right here. That's just great. There's not much we can do here. It's okay, right here, right here. You can make us stand like right here. So, we did take a sit up there. Looking at it might play out. Yeah, it's very boring at the moment. So I'm just going to leave the chart here. Like I said, this is your range for Bitcoin. We need to see a closure above this orange line here. But I don't see it losing this range. If it loses this range, well then it's going to come back down. But I'm quite bullish on the day. So we would need to see quite a lot of volume to actually push this down, to be honest. The best of me, I'm still here, right here to say it's okay. You can make that stand, I got you. Just being patient, right? There's can't really do much yet. Like I'm just waiting. I want to see how this next 15-minute candle closes. Yeah, so I mean, currently still just waiting here, guys. Very, very boring. 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗠𝗡 coming back up to the levels. Yeah. So, like I said, for this signal, I think it should play out. Yeah. If this next 1 hour candle closes bullish, then I'll probably take another buy like this. Okay. So that's for 𝗕𝗧𝗪𝗠𝗡. And then XRP is approaching. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take buys here, yeah? XRP. Soon. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for the next 30-minute candle closure, and we're gonna take some buys here. Okay, yeah. So this is interesting, guys. What is importance in trading? Importance in trading is definitely risk management. Okay, so for example, right? Let's just say I have $100 in my account. Per trade, how much are you willing to risk? Okay, well that's what you have to ask yourself. If you're only willing to risk 5% of your account balance, well then that's $5, right? So you have to think of trading as like a long-term journey, whereas a lot of people think of it like get rich quick. So when I first started trading, I also thought it was like that, but then I lost a lot of money, right? I'm being like totally honest. I blew up around about like 10 accounts. I kept depositing. And the main important thing was actually approaching it more in a systematic way, where you're only risking this much per trade every single time. Your stop loss is going to be at this level. You have a set risk to reward, and all of these things, they add a massive role to trading. But I would say the most important part of trading is risk management, which is risking only a certain percentage of your funds per trade, and that will go a long way in the long term, right? You have to think of trading as like more of a career than more of a get rich quick type of thing. Yeah. So yeah, it's important. It's actually very important to understand that. Yeah. So we're waiting for Bazia. And also patience. I think patience is probably also the biggest thing. Right? I could have jumped into this XRP trade now. But the thing is, I know that I would only jump. The thing is, with me, with trading, right, I used to just jump in and front run. So basically what front run means is, okay, you're bullish on the day and you expect price to go up, right? So we're expecting price to actually, come up to this level here. So then you would enter now and be like, okay, well, that's what I expect. But the problem is, we need to see your conditions have to be met. So like one of my conditions is waiting for candles to close above certain areas. Okay, so if the candle closes above, this level here at 6450, then I'll take the position. But if it doesn't close above, then I'm not going to take the trade. Okay, so you have to make sure, like with trading, your conditions are always met. So we need to wait for price to break the wick. Okay. So this is, we have a few conditions here, so we're waiting for that to happen. If it doesn't happen, then we won't take the trade. So we're not currently in the setup here, but we're currently just waiting. But if you guys did just join, we did take a long for Bitcoin. So I took out earlier, I did take out 50% at this area, but essentially it looks like it's going to rise. So if you want to take some longs here, Looks quite clean. But essentially, I'm looking at XRP. It looks like we're gonna get a nice little move here. Yeah. So there's 15. I'm gonna wait for this next 15 closure. It's gonna be interesting. I'm expecting quite a big pump today, to be honest. So yeah, I want you guys to be part of that as well. So that's why we're gonna try to take this trade together here. Try to get all you guys involved. And we'll have some very, very tight stop loss here, just below this wick. Should push us. So we have, yeah, I mean, a 20x is a 30% gain. And over here, it's 40%, whereas your stop loss is only minus 10%. Yeah. So, yeah, ask yourself, is that a trade you're willing to risk? I'm not telling you exactly what to do here. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, I mean, 20. We're gonna be patient, right? But I'll write here for you guys. I know a lot of you aren't patient. Patience, 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 patience. And the thing is, guys, like, if you know me, well, you don't know me, but basically, I'm very impatient. Like, I'm probably the most impatient person out there. But trading is a different type of patience. Like, what I've learned from trading is you always have to be patient. Otherwise, you're always gonna front run, which means you get in way too early, or you just you go for every setup there is, and not the key ones. So yeah, being patient is definitely one of the biggest parts here. So it looks like 𝗕𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧's coming back up here. This is beautiful, guys. So what I'm gonna do here, if you guys aren't in this position here for 𝗕𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗧, I think I'm gonna add to this position. Okay. Which means you get way too early. So let's wait for 9 minutes here. I'll add more to this position. So yeah, being patient is because the thing is, like, some trades, right? You can have a 5-minute breakout and then hit your target in like 10 minutes. But it doesn't always happen like that. It depends on volume, price activity, price volatility. You know, how many, if there's news, you know, there's a lot of things that factor into the price movement, and also it depends on like the session, right? Right now we're in London session, so basically we come into the end of London session in around about like an hour. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna head off now. I do appreciate everyone being here.